Never sneeze while driving. This one could literally save your life. If you ever sneeze while driving, close your eyes for a second or two. That's the length of a football field at highway speed. Crazy, right? Always keep a Band-Aid in your wallet. Most people don't know that pressing it against a paper cut stops bleeding instantly. If you ever encounter a wasp or bee indoors, turn off the lights. They'll fly straight to the window. Here's a wild one. If you're being followed, take 4 right turns. If they're still behind you, you're being followed for real. Drive to a police station. The last one, never, ever use your phone as a light when checking gas in your car. The smallest spark can start a fire.